Well, happening right now, help for Sandy victims. It is on the way from right here in the valley.
APS and SRP are sending dozens of workers, even trucks out east now to get the power restored. And ABC 15's Courtney Karlmark is live at Scar Harbor for us. This is certainly a big mission, Courtney.
Absolutely, Connie. And you know, when the Air National Guard gets involved, that this is a very big deal. Right now, they're about to load dozens of utility trucks into this massive cargo plane, and they'll also be loading up equipment. It's a task that could take the entire day, and it's not just this one plane. They're expecting to fill 20 of them today, along with workers, and they'll be flying them over to Long Island. In all, 100 Valley workers are heading there, and they're first going to be working with cleanup. The storm there knocked down so many wires and poles. There's a huge mess. Once they get that cleaned up, they essentially have to rebuild the entire power system that turns the lights on for millions of families and businesses there. Folks with SRP and APS that I've been talking with this morning say they've dealt with, damage similar to this after big dust storms here in the valley and wildfires, but nothing even close to this magnitude.
This is the worst thing that we've seen here, magnified by hundreds. It's not something that our workers have walked into before.
And our Valley electric crews here say they were not even expecting to get a call like this. So it really struck home that the circumstances there are so bad that much worse than they had anticipated. So they're happy to help and do whatever they can to make lives a little easier for the folks there.
Gearing up with equipment and no doubt emotionally as well to head into New York. Thanks, Courtney. Appreciate it.